I would think that's the right way to do it.
So that's why the males are more colorful.
The male
The
red
male
cardinal.
birds are more. The male birds are the ones that are most colorful in almost every species in a bird,
Oh, really? What about this black one?
and it's for that fact.
Oh, it's like black blue. Very shiny coat.
To me, that's some type of raven, crow, blackbird.
She's eating your seeds. I think they like it. Wow. That bird is living his best life. Yeah, went called his other friends. That's it. You're going to have to supply it every other day. Maybe every day.
Every day.
It's going to get to a point every day.